Hey, so this is my dinner. I had just pasta and sauce. Just cheap pasta I got from Aldi and sauce really. So this is me cleaning my kitchen, doing the dishes. I made sure it was, time lapsed because, quicker that way. So doing all the dishes, put recycling in the recycling and non-recycling not in the recycling. Black bin and that. Then I'm going to use a spray I got from Aldi. It smells like lime and lemon, I think. It's really nice. Sprayed on my sides and my dishes dry. So this is just storing our clothes. Scrubbing the toilet as it needs doing. And wiping around the toilet and sides and sorting that out. Now for the recycling box. So taking out all the tags, things off it and breaking it down to take it outside. All done. Kitchen's nice and clean. I need to take those things to the charity shop, but ignore that. In our bedroom, it's a little bit of a mess, but not too bad. So just put away my pile of clothes really, and sort that out, and put away all my bedding and things after washing and cleaning it. What? What? You hungry? Sorry, cat. Getting changed, and now there's my cat on my bed. Fuzzy.